So BMW becomes the second motorcycle manufacturer in the world to come up with radar cruise control on their motorcycle. And this is an announcement they made yesterday. What they're coming up with is on their BMW R1250Rt. And unlike the Ducati, which became the first manufacturer, with BMW, what they have done is they've given us a little bit more detail on how their radar cruise control will work. So the details they have provided us is that the radar can detect vehicles up to 120 meters away and automatically keep pace with them, applying throttle or brake, to keep up the pace. Also, one thing they have mentioned is, which Ducati didn't mention, but I'm pretty sure it's probably around the same, that there's a 3 distance setting. So it's similar to what we had in the cars. It will be, you have 3 distance settings. Typically, the 3 means you have about 3 car distance, the 2 means 2 car distance, and 1 means 1 car spacing, that's how it keeps the detection. The other thing they have mentioned is that here is possibly the system works all the way from 18 miles per hour to 99 miles per hour. So they mentioned the speed range in which the system will work, and that is very good. So this switch shows us here the 3 distance settings. Press to change the distance. They have it here, another color. Great addition, and I can't wait for other manufacturers to bring this in. Probably, you never know. Honda is next, maybe the Goldwing. Let's wait and see what comes up.